Good day. Peter Etoy from ECMS. We specialize in employment equity, ensuring that designated employers become and remain in total and full employment equity compliance pertaining to the latest legislation. Today I will be discussing the EAP analysis as per Section 19 of the Employment Equity Act. As per Section 19, designated employers must conduct an analysis of your employment policies, your practices, your procedures, your working environment to identify employment barriers that adversely affect people from designated groups. Your analysis must also include the development of a workforce profile to determine to what extent designated groups are under and or overrepresented in the workplace. Please bear in mind that you need to first of all look at your races and genders in each occupational level. Compare that to the latest economically active population statistics. Determine under and or overrepresentation and utilize your EAP analysis to inform your employment equity plan. Tip for today. Our recommendation is that your company, being deemed a designated employer, must review your EAP analysis, verify your over and underrepresented races and genders, and prioritize before you recruit, terminate, and or promote any person within your company to ensure that you are working on the highest priority to ensure compliance.